Hi, I'm Suma and I am making this quick video to let you know that Helium 10's 40% off for 12 months promo is back. You can get 40% off every single month for the next 12 months. You can come to this link. I will add this link into the description of this video. Once you click here 40% off, it will take you to this page. Here you can create your account by adding your first name, last name and email address, then set a password, and then you can move on to the payment information. And you can see the promo detail here. Subscription summary. It's platinum plan. It's normally $99 per month, but during this promo, which is available during the month of December, you can get for only $59.40 per month, and you will continue getting this discount for the next 12 months. So this is really good offer from Helium 10. Normally they don't offer such a massive discount on their platinum plan or any other plan, but during this holiday season they are doing this for a limited time up to 31st December 2025. So this is a short video about Helium 10's 2025 promo, that is 40% off. You can use Helium 10 for keyword research, for niche research and analyzing competition. So this is, I think, really good time to get Helium 10 if you ever wanted to have access to this amazing Amazon research tool. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.